Juncus Patens, California Gray Rush. This one gets about 3 feet tall by about 2 feet wide. Long brown flowers that are not really worth hemming and hawing over. Now what's nice about this particular plant is that it takes full sun to full shade, and it can tolerate being in 6 inches of standing water. So you could plant this by a dry creek bed or not. Give it very little water or a shitload of water and it will still do fine. It is not spiky, so as I am touching it, it is not spiky. There's a spiky version of this, however this particular variety is not. And it's actually really gorgeous ornamental grass if you're looking for an ornamental grass to put in your yard.